So the main issue with taking this nut out is the tension with the spring. So there is a tension, so it's pressing on this. So you will have to put a jack and play with it like up and down until you lose little bit tension, as you see. So just to try to take it out as smooth as possible so you don't damage the threads on the bolt. So if I hit it now, it's like I'm hitting out with this very light key. So now we remove the bolt in order to lower the bucket, lower the jack a little bit. Okay, so I'm a little bit sick now, so in order to bring back the bucket, before you put the spring and preloaded preset to put the bolt here, what you do is install this, and if you have a toe bolt, adjust the toe bolts. If you notice, like the toe bolt will move the bucket front and back, so you can move it, play with it until it line up with the. So all you have to do now is to put the jack under and just